Hi all, my name is Sandra Sabo from the Department of Logistics Management, St. Albert's College Autonomous. So today we are discussing about some of the topic, introduction of management. So first we can know that it refers to the organizing and directing of human activities in an organization. So in each and every activities, we have to manage it properly. Then only we can get a proper result by the proper management of these activities. Like the function, the planning, organizing, directing, all these things have to be properly managed. So management is very important in every activities of this, every business activities. So next we can discuss about some of the definitions of management. Management consisting of getting things done to others. Managers is one of to accomplish the objectives by directing the effort of others. So management is what? Getting things done by others. That is the management. Properly managed, only the result have been properly, we only get the proper result. So next definition is, it is principally a task of planning, coordinating, motivating and controlling the effect of other towards the specific objectives. Each business activities have their own specific objectives. So the proper management aim is to accomplish these specific objectives. For that they have to plan, coordinate, motivate the employees for the achievement of these specific objectives. So next we are discussing about some of the functional areas of management. So first one is production management and marketing management, financial management, personal management and office management. These all managements are taking it very important in the business activities. Production management is, it includes the production of right goods. Okay, we have to give the customers the right goods in the right time, in the right cost. That all things are managed by these production management department. Okay, it includes the production of the right goods at right quantity and the right cost. Okay, production management is all are dealing with these process with the right goods, with the right quantity and the right cost. So these activities, these production management activities, it's consisting of these designing the product, then location and layout of the plan and building, then repairs and maintenance, then inventory control, quality control. These all things are dealt by this production management. All the production activities from the beginning to the end, all the production activities are dealing by this production management. We all know that the customers are the king of all the business. So we have to treat them very clearly. So for that, the production management have to work efficiently. They have to give the right goods, they have to give in the right quantity and the right cost. Okay, next we can discuss about the second functional areas of management, that is a very important, the marketing management. After the producing these things, we have to market to the customers. Okay, we have to reach these product to the customers. For that, we have to give more promotion activities, advertisements, and these all things are done by this marketing management. So it refers to the identifying of customers. We have to identify the needs of the customers and supply the product. Okay. For that supplying of this product, we have to consider these things. Marketing research or determine the expectations of the customers. We have to first analyze what are the expectations of the customers. Then only we can supply the right kind of product to the particular customers. So in that, the development of the suitable products, then setting appropriate price for that, then these are the main important, like the promotion and the distribution and the promotion activities is mainly done by this marketing management. Okay, so next we can discuss about the third functional areas of management, that is the finance management. Okay, in every business activities, finance management or finance department, it's dealing a very important place. Okay, so finance management is mainly dealing with, we first discussed about the marketing management, then the production management. All these processes have to be smoothly run only because of this. They only have proper finance. Okay, so this financial management is mainly dealing with the proper finance. Okay, proper finance, that is proper dealing of finance in the organizations. That is, it ensures the right amount and the right type of fund of business. Okay, they know that these business activities needs this type of these amount of amount is required. So these are fundraisers by this financial management department. So at the right time, okay, we want the fund at the right time and the reasonable cost. Okay, we have to check that whether these activities want these types of expenses are there. Then we have to fundraise these types of expenses for doing that particular activity. So these funds have to be raised at the right time. Okay, when the activities have taken, the finance have to be right time. There is a finance. Okay, we want right time finance. We want the right time. Okay, then and it comprises of these activities. The financial management department comprises of these activities like estimating the long-term and short-term capital needs, then appropriate sources. We have to find the sources of fund for our business. Okay, so we have to find these financial management have to find the proper sources of the fund. Then next one is raising of required fund at the right time. We want the fund at the right time when the activities is taken place. So these all things are dealing by this financial management. In simple, the financial matters are mainly deals with in a business. The financial matters are mainly dealing with this financial management. So next one is personal management. Personal management is mainly deals with effective control and use of manpower, the success of an enterprises. Like these personal management is mainly deals with the manpowers in an organizations. Every success in an organization is mainly depends upon effective management of human resources. Okay, human resources. There should be an effective management of human resources in every organization. Then only they can properly work in an organization, properly run the business activities. So this personal management is very important in an organizations. Like we have to, when we are selecting the human resources, like human resources means what? We are dealing with the human beings in an organization. We are selecting like recruitment process, selection process. We have to give the training process at the appropriate time. Like recruitment process, there are internal sources and external sources like the senior based promotions, then apprenticeships is there. They are all this recruitment process. So these recruitments are classified into two, that is internal sources and external sources is there. So then selections, there are a lot of steps that is included in the selection process from the beginning to the application form, submitting of the application from last to the final submissions. These selection process are continuing. Then the training process, there are traditional methods of training is there, modern methods of training is there, like the 360 degrees, then traditional methods of lot of like graphic scales, critical incident methods. These are the training methods. Okay, so these all things have to be properly maintained by the personal management department. Okay, so personal management is mainly dealing with the human beings, like manpower in an organization. Without the effective human resources management, they cannot run properly. In every business, they have to run the human resources management. There we know that the HR departments is there. They are mainly dealing with this recruitment, selections and training process and all. Okay. So next, the last thing, the functional area is the office management. Okay. Office management refers to the technique of planning, coordinating and controlling the office activities of an organization, like organizing the office work, then so achieving the particular goal. There are a lot of office works dealings are there in a business activities. So these office management is mainly dealing with these type of works. Work as a service department to other department. This is very important. This office management is working as a service department for the other departments. There are a lot of departments. We already discussed the production department, marketing department, finance department, and these office management is work as a service department for the other departments. Okay, so these are the functional areas of management: production management, marketing management, financial management, personal management and office management. So thank you.